Hello dear students, how are you all? All of you are fine? You are happy at home, enjoying, doing lots of work, right? I'm here with the poem of this chapter, chapter 6. The name of the poem is Mystery of the Talking Fan. You can understand that mystery of the talking fan. Fan, an electrical device, and it's talking. So it's very interesting. And the writer is Maud Rabin, right? Now I'll read out the poem and you will come to know how a fan is talking. Okay? So, mystery of the talking fan. Is there a ceiling fan in the room? First, it is written there, is there a ceiling fan in the room where you are sitting now? Is the fan quiet or noisy? If it is noisy, you may be sure it is a distant relative of the talking fan. In the poem which you are going to read, all of us are having fan, right? Sometimes fans are making noise, sometimes not making. But thing is that when it is making noise, so what is the reason behind, right? When it started making noise, something is there, okay? Some reasons are behind that, okay? So that we have to find out. In this poem, the poet also tried to find out the meaning why the fan is making sound. Once there was a talking fan, electrical, his chatter. I couldn't quite hear what he said, and I hope it doesn't matter. What is the meaning of that? Once there was a talking fan, electrical, his chatter, and I couldn't quite hear what he's saying or what he said, and I hope it doesn't matter. The poet, when he was in his room, he heard that sound of fan. He named it chatting fan, and it's an electrical language. Sound of the fan, he said, it's an electrical language. Okay, it's not talking like us, so it's an electrical language, and we have to understand that. Okay, why it's making noise? When you are talking, when you are asking your mama, there is any reason, right? When you are calling your mama, when you are calling your mother, reason is there. So the fan, the poet says, it's fan's electrical language. Electrical language, it's trying to say something. So the poet tried to understand why it's making sound, right? And he is not understand what is the meaning of that, and he's trying, and if it's quite, he's quite hear what he said, और ना उसको समझ में आ गया कि वो क्या बोल रहा है, उसको चाहिए कुछ. The fan needs something to stop this sound, because one day somebody oiled his little whirling motor, and all the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as water. So he understood what is the reason behind. The fan needed to be oiled. The fan needed to be oiled. It's a motor needs or needed oil. So he called electrician and get it done. And when it was oiled properly, when it was taking care by an when it was took care by an electrician, it stopped making noise. Spoiled. Mystery was spoiled. What is the mystery over here? The word mystery is there, no? The mystery of a talking fan. What is the meaning of mystery? Here, the meaning is that which we do not know. Okay, which we do not know why the fan was making noise. The poet found the reason. That was कि it needed to be oiled. इसमें तेल डालना है. जो मोटर है वो खराब हो चुका है, वो बहुत स्मूथ चल नहीं पा रहा है. तो because of that the poet called an electrician, and when he called an electrician it got oiled, right? and इसको जो तेल दिया है मशीन में, मोटर में जो तेल दिया है, after that it started moving smoothly without making noise. So that was the mystery. It was making sound and we were not knowing, but when we came to know, when the poet knew the reason, the mystery in it needed oil, so it spoiled. Mystery was spoiled. Mystery, that reason was spoiled. Spoiled मतलब उसको ख़त्म कर दिया, stopped कर दिया. So that is the mystery of the talking fan. And in our real life also, when we are doing something, okay, when we are trying to get attraction by someone, so means there is some reason, right? Like that fan also tried to get attention of the poet making sound. The poet listened and he found that it needed oiling, needed to be oiled, right? In real life also, when you are asking your mother, means you want something, when you are crying, a reason is there. So this way the fan was making noise because it was having problem. The motor was not running properly, and as soon as the motor was oiled properly or got oiled properly or oiled properly, it started moving just like water, pani ki tarah, without making noise. It started moving. Okay, this much only. Hope you understood. And it's a nice poem. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.